Hey, I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to Ready, Set, Viral. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make some fidget toys all by yourself. But before we begin, I want you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. That way you never miss out on another video. Stress, unfortunately, has always been a part of our culture. Many people deal with it in various ways, usually not healthy ones. So that's why we have a way to actually combat stress in a healthy way. Fortunately, stress toys have been discovered. Even if many people think they're only for children, they're clearly not. There's many types of them, but the most popular ones are definitely squishies and poppets. Their biggest defect is that they can be very expensive and hard to get, especially if you want them customized. But don't worry, because we have a tutorial just for you, so that you won't have to pay too much money to make your life a little better. We're here to help, just like always. For this amazing DIY, you need a few things: markers of your choice, a piece of paper, scissors, tape, a pack of gum, cardboard, and hot glue. The very first thing you're going to want to do is take the shape of your fidget. It should probably look something like this. You're going to place it onto the cardboard after tracing it on paper, and make sure to cut it out of cardboard as well. Make sure to leave a small rectangle in the middle, because that is where your poppet fidget is mainly going to be. Once you've done that, make sure to cut it out, and you can do this 2 times because you're going to need 2 sides. Once that is done, you can paint the faces however which way you want. In our opinion, we're kind of making it look a little bit like a chocolate bar with a little smiley face at the bottom. Don't you like it? You guys can make it look any which way you want. Just look how cute our fidget is. But trust me, we're far from done right now. You're then going to take your pack of gum and actually remove it from the cardboard packaging of the gum. You're going to cut it to fit how your fidget is. So for us, it is 9 squares, so we just have to cut off 1 row. You can leave it clear if you want, but we're going to paint it brown because, like we said, we're kind of making this look like a chocolate bar. After all of this is decorated and fully dry, you're going to place your gum package into the little hole that you cut out of your template. Once you do that, you can hot glue it to the actual package and then start gluing around the edges of the cardboard as well. Remember when we told you you had to cut out the cardboard template twice? Well, this is exactly what it's here for. You're going to end up placing this on top of all of the glue so that it covers all of the ugly stuff behind that no one wants to see and shows your cute decoration. After your poppet fidget is all ready and dry, you can see how cool it looks. You now have the perfect fidget. Just look how cool this is, and trust me, it's as easy as it looks. All you guys have to do is follow our careful instructions, and you'll be able to do it just like this. If you want to learn how to make more fidgets, just tell us, and we'll prepare videos on that too. There are so many of those. So in the end, you'll have a whole collection. So don't forget, if we actually do make those videos, if you want them, don't forget to watch them. Make sure to let us know whether this video was useful or not, and if so, make sure to leave some positive feedback. If you have any questions about the tutorial, make sure to let us know in the comments section because we'd love to help you. At times, this tutorial might seem a little bit confusing, but just follow our simple instructions and watch the tutorial as well, because you'll get it so quickly. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning post notifications on so you never miss out on a single video from us in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Have a good day!